let me show you this. This is exciting. Watch your head. This is a tree supermarket. It's a supermarket with 150,000 products that are all trees, like this tree, and this tree, and they are not for sale. All of these trees are designed to be planted to make the country colder and combat climate change. How and why? Let me explain. See, we all know that the Earth is getting warmer and warmer. It's called global warming and it's a real thing. Factories, cars, pollution, this stuff can increase the temperature levels of the world by 2 to 3 degrees. And that could be deadly to many animals and humans. And when you see all of this, it's easy to give up. It's impossible to make the Earth cooler. It'll take decades, and no one seems to care. That's what I thought, until I saw these people. A group of scientists in Singapore who think it's possible to make the Earth cooler. How?
By planting trees.
Not one, but millions of trees. See, trees make the Earth cooler because they don't just shade us from the sun, trees also sweat. First, the leaves absorb the heat from the sun. Then the tree takes water from the ground and the water evaporates into the air through the leaves, just like sweating. This way, the tree makes itself cooler, just like humans. That's why a hot day becomes less hot when you stand under a tree. It's very simple.
Trees are nature's best air conditioners. They bring down the heat, they regulate the temperatures, purify the air, and they store the carbon in the atmosphere.
And that is just one tree. Now imagine what 1 million extra trees could do. And this is what they're doing. The community in Singapore is planting 1 million trees in the city, right next to skyscrapers, right next to highway, right next to homes. They're planting and planting and planting.
As part of the 1 million tree movement, we have planted 50,000 trees so far, and a lot more to come over the next 10 years.
And to get to the 1 million goal, they built their own tree supermarket. It's like a nursery where they grow trees in the hundreds of thousands. They grow them here, and when they are ready, they take them out, put them on a trolley, put them on a truck, secure them, and drive them all the way to the city to be planted. And they do this every single day, on public holidays, on weekends, and even on Christmas breaks. Every day, there is a tree planted. Do you plant every day?
Yes, we do. We plant every day, non-stop, even on Sundays and public holidays.
Really?
Yeah.
On public holidays?
Yep.
And the result is astonishing. Singapore has become one of the greenest cities in the world. It has more trees than humans. On average, these trees can reduce temperatures by about 2 degrees. 2 Celsius degrees. And in this humid and hot country, 2 degrees can make a big difference.
I actually planted some of them, but alone, I'm just one man. I need the whole village of community to come together. This is why I need you and everyone else to be on board.
Global warming seems like such a tough problem to solve. How in the world can we make our planet cooler? Well, remember, if you can make your body cool by sitting under a tree, then you can make your neighborhood cool, your city, your country, and your continent cool. To solve the world's biggest problems, sometimes you gotta start small. This is Planet Warriors, and see you next week.